Guys, welcome back to another video, guys. Hope everyone is well, and today I'm making some tangerine juice. I'm a bit stuffy with apple, ginger and carrot, and guys, I'm gonna add a bit of mint in it, so I'm gonna go around the back and pick some mint. Here is the mint. And this is what I pick. So let's go inside. It's a bit breezy and I'm stuffy, so we're gonna go inside and continue. Guys, here is the mint, fresh from the garden. So let's get into the washing of the tangerine and the carrots. I'll do that off camera, and then we will start our juicing. And this week we're still gonna use the Cooven juicer. Only just put in a small amount of vinegar. Okay. And I'm gonna wash my fruits and get back to you. So guys, here's my fresh mint and everything is washed. So we're gonna peel our mandarins. And we don't need to take off the strings off them. We just need to pop them in the juicer and get the juice out of it. So we're gonna peel them. Even though I washed them, some of the stickers didn't come off. So I just let it stay because it washed, and I'm not going to use the skins anyway. So let's keep going. I'm gonna just use this amount of ginger in it. I cut my ginger very small because I realized that ginger, when you're putting it in the oven, the hole is very small where that the trash comes through, and ginger has something like threads in it, you know, that little thing. So I use apples and you just push it out. It's never clogged up, you know, but I'm just mindful. So we don't need to peel our carrots, because what you're gonna peel off them? Nothing. You just need to cut the ends off. When I'm cooking, I do that, but I'm making the juice and it's gonna turn into trash anyway, so let's just cut them off quickly so we can get into the juicing. So let me take out these mandarin. My cutting board is small, but I need to just go through this quickly. And you know, the carrots are good for the eyes. Wow, good. So I throw this in the bin behind me, and we are going to go in and peel our lemon. I'm gonna ask Tony to make a big cutting board for me, but he can make them. I'll show you a cutting board that Tony recently done for someone. So I'm gonna change my cutting board soon to similar. It's gonna look similar anyway, but I'll show you the cutting board in 2 minutes that Tony made. Only last week Saturday he took the take the clamps off it. I use a knife to make a hole in the mandarin because it helps me to go through faster. I don't want my nails to break off, so because I have the gloves, I don't have the power. Like, so this is such a powerful juice, guys. The mint will help with digestion, and guys, after they keep the doctor away, so we are going to go in with our apple core. You see how the juice dripping out of it. So we're only using 2 apples this week because I don't want to change the color of the juice. And guys, the apple is sweet as always. Let's go for the cutting board that Tony made and show you. So guys, this is the cutting board that Tony made. We are going to give it to one of our friends, and he's going to make me a new one. So this is it. See how nice it looks? Well refined and nice. So let's get into our juice making. So guys, we are going to start by popping in some tangerines. So we're gonna open the flip gate and we're gonna put some tangerines in, and let's see how this goes. So guys, let's pop in some carrots, some mandarin, and mandarin offers lots of health benefit like boosting the immune system, improve skin health due to their high vitamin C and antioxidant content, which also fight aging, guys. So try this juice out. It is so good. And we are popping in some ginger, and do you know that the mandarin also have potassium in it, and it lower blood pressure. Wow, I didn't even know that. And it helps with weight management. So this is another super powerful juice, guys. Mandarin also provide essential mineral, guys, like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. So guys, now we are going to let out our juice. As you can see, the mixing bowl is full, so let's get straight into that. Guys, we are going to let out our first batch of juice. Here you have it, guys. Look at that. So guys, there you have the first batch of juice. So we are going to start our juicing again. So we're going to put some more mandarin in, and ginger, carrot, and we're going to pop some mint in, and we're going to pop our lemon in. Guys, let's pop our carrot in, and everybody know that carrot help with eyesight, so let's put in an apple instead, or the lime. Yep, let's keep going. Now we're gonna pop our carrot and watch it move slowly down as this machine squeeze and crush and squeeze. Now we have a little bit in the mixing bowl, about quarter. And guys, you know that carrot support eye health and help with the function of the immune system, heart health, and it has been linked to reduce risk of certain cancers, guys. So feed your body right. You know, I don't say if you have cancer, yeah, you can use this juice, but try and prevent it from happening. So let's pop a mandarin in, as you just see, and we're gonna pop some mint, fresh from my garden, guys, organic mint, and we're gonna keep going. So now our mixing bowl is full, and we are about to let out our second batch of juice. Guys, we are gonna let out our second batch of juice, and we have a small amount leave, which is the apple and a few carrots. We're gonna put them through. So guys, we are going to continue with the carrots and just the two apples over there. Carrots are also a good source of soluble fiber and are high in several vitamins and minerals, including beta-carotene, biotin, vitamin K1 and B6, and potassium. So guys, who wouldn't want to try this drink? It is loaded, and combined with the mandarins, the lime, the ginger that is good for inflammation. Wow. So I urge you guys to stay on your juice, stay healthy, and look, we have just a quarter of the mixing bowl. Let's see how much I can get out of what is left in the bowl. I have another Coven juice jug which I will have to get out to store the rest of the juice in. So guys, we are almost up at the end of this video. Stay blessed, guys, and keep healthy. Keep making your juice. Let's pop a carrot in and keep going. Juice is super good because guess what? The vitamin C in this juice has been proven to help to protect our bodies from heart disease and cancer. So, and guys, your trash, you can always use them to make a smoothie. I promise I am going to do a smoothie with the trash. So guys, let's keep going. Guys, the mandarin is not high in sugar, and this is why I always use an apple or two to sweeten my juice. No sugar. It is best not to use sugar to sweeten your juice. I don't use brown or black sugar, none at all. So guys, I'm gonna move away. this jug. We're gonna put this other one here, and we're gonna let out our third batch of juice. And guys, I have an apple leaf, so I'm gonna put it through. So this is what we got. So guys, this week what I did, I tried to make a flowers with the mandarin. So I slice it, so now I'm turning them over like this. I don't know if it's gonna look good, but that's gonna be my decoration, looking like a flowers. Wow, guys, I can't believe I made something like this just out of my head. Oh my goodness. So let's pour the last part of the juice. And then we are gonna pour the rest. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you will try this juice. It looks like a little alien, right? Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend, guys. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye. So guys, there you have it. It's a close-up look, and I will add more. Piece of mint in the middle and some dandelion flowers around it.